Hi, everybody. It's Miss Jaiyesimi here. Today we're going to be doing blood typing, so I want to model what we're going to do. You're going to need your worksheet out, and don't forget to refer to the blood typing groups here, and we're going to follow these directions. So the first step says to use a permanent marker or pen to label the blood typing slide with the source or name of the blood sample. So as you can see, I actually already did that for you. I've labeled each blood sample 1 through 10. I've also labeled the trays. After that, you're going to need 1 drop of each of the different blood in each of the 3 wells. So as you can see, 1 tray has a well that says A, a well that says B, and a well that says RH. You might not be able to see the A, B, and RH, but just know A is on the top, B is on the bottom, RH is on the side. And this is 1, C Cunningham. So this is suspect C Cunningham. Per the directions, you want to shake it a little bit while it's closed, open it carefully, and you want to place only 1 drop. So really squeeze very, very slowly. 1, 1, 1. Then close it carefully so it doesn't splatter on you. And then do the same. Then you want to go for 2. 2 is M. Malloy. 2 M. Malloy. Slowly squeeze. 1 drop. 1 drop of M. Malloy there. 1 drop there. You and your group are going to split up the work to make sure that you drop each of the corresponding numbers and blood samples into each well. After you've done that, in order to see what the blood type is, you then want to go over to your anti-A serum, which is what color, Ayo? What color is this?
Blue.
And your anti-B serum, which is what color?
It's going to be yellow.
Okay, put that back there. And your anti-D serum?
It's going to be white.
White or clear. And the anti-D serum, actually shows you your RH factor. All right? So, we're going to take A, and we're going to put 1 drop of anti-serum A into, guess which well? You got it, well A. And well A is always at the top. So you want to carefully open it so that you don't splatter.
Squeeze it.
You're going to put 1 drop of A there. While you have A open, you're going to go ahead and drop 1 drop of A on all of the A wells. Once you're done with A, you close it. Then you go to B. And for B, you're going to drop 1 drop of the yellow into B, 1 drop of the yellow into B. And I'm going to let my assistant Iomide try carefully to drop 1 drop of the clear. Just 1, my love. Not too close. Good. And 1 right there. Oh, you got 2 drops. Okay. So she got 2 drops because she's did a little too soon. All right. Then you're going to take the blue. I don't need help with this thing, babe. You're going to then stir it. And once you've used it once, you can no longer use it again. So you're going to set it to the side. If you zoom in, I don't know if you can see, but there's actually clumps inside of there. Let me try to move it over. It's not solid. It's not solid red all the way. There's particles floating around, which means that it did react. So if you look over here, in your chart for Chris, where it says agglutination results, since it did start to clump, it says if the liquid clumps or otherwise reacts, you need to say yes. So we'll put yes for Chris Cunningham here. Next, you're going to take the yellow stick, which is for B, and you're going to stir it. And as you can see, if you can zoom in, my phone, I need a new one, but it is completely uniform. There are no clumps at all. So that would be a no. So going to our chart here, we would say yes, and we'd say no, there are no clumps there. Last but not least, our RH factor, or the anti-serum D, we take the white and we stir it and we mix it. And we look carefully. Sometimes it's hard to see, but this is completely uniform. So that makes me want to put no. So it did not react. Okay, once you've done that, obviously you're going to do that for the next one. You then have to look over here and figure out what the blood type is. Okay, and that's it. You're going to do that for all of them. Work with your partner. Have fun, my forensic scientist.